What we're finding is that fake news, or disinformation as we now prefer to call it, is something which is so pernicious and so widespread that we really feel the need to make interventions. We cannot do this on our own as an organisation. We have to link up with others and be collaborative. And that's not just other media organisations, it's organisations such as the big tech companies and platforms, it's academics, it's civil society organisations. And if we work together, there are things we can do which can really make a difference in this space. The chief thing we're working on is something that we're calling Project Origin, which looks at embedding signals into a piece of content which allow audiences and machines to interpret whether that content has come from where it says it's come from or where it purports to come from, and also whether that content has been altered en route to the consumer. So it's establishing both the provenance and the integrity of that piece of content. It's not the solution to disinformation, but it is a solution. It's something that in this increasingly fraught information ecosystem where we don't know what we can believe with our own eyes, we are giving people tools to determine whether the news that they wish to consume has come from where they believe it has come from and has maintained its integrity on that journey. We think this is really important. We think offering people, whatever they choose to consume, trustworthy news in a way that they can check, in a way that they can establish is not spoofed, is not false, is not pretend content, is something that is going to be a very important tool as we try to find our way through what is actually just a very different landscape to the one that we're used to as news organisations.